What do you mean your people? What do you mean your
Hey,
people?
you're Russians.
Did you hear what she said about Russians?
Did you hear what she says? Russians, I love Russians. You know what I didn't love?
Yeah.
The Russian recruiting video that came out. That shit was terrifying. Did you watch it?
No.
I told you about it. And of course you didn't watch it.
I didn't watch it.
Oh,
I'm
shocker.
sorry.
The USA put out a recruiting video.
Yes.
And then like a day or two later, Russia put one out. And the recruiting video in the States was a animation of a female soldier
Yeah.
with two moms. And she was going to go change the world, right? Russia came out with one. It's like, it's the character from like Rocky, essentially. And they're guys in the mud and just in the rain, just fucking doing push-ups, just pushing it out. They're just like, they see their boot, they're just like crushing things. And I'm like, and it's all like, and the deep Russian voice. I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah. Which one is better, would you say? Which bothered you more?
What do you mean by bother? Specify.
So deception is a funny thing because when you're young and you're choosing to go to the military or not, it's not like you know, like none of us know what the best trajectory for a life is.
Right.
For many people, going to the military is makes them incredible human beings. Some of the best people in this world I know are soldiers. So I don't mean like it's somehow bad to go to the military. I think it's a great choice. But there is something, the honest truth is I just don't like marketing people.
Well,
and so this is essentially a marketing effort.
Yeah, it is a marketing effort.
And so which one do you like as a marketing effort better?
Russia.
Okay.
Ooh. Oof. Yeah, I do.
There you go.
I do, because Canada doesn't, you know what our recruiting videos are? It's like, I love it. They're the best.
Sorry, A.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Here we go. It's starting. It started. Awesome. So Canada does these ones where it's like, it'll have a bunch of like soldiers doing movements, and then they'll like snip it together really quick. It'll be like a Navy one, and then a guy jumping out of a plane, and then it'll be like an artillery, and then like an armored. Then it'll be like, join the Canadian Forces today. And like, that's like their videos. It's like very marketable, very palatable to Canadians who don't really want war and who don't really acknowledge their military in the first place and do everything they can to make sure that vets don't get any support when they come home. So I can see why that one is acceptable. What Russia did was meant to be more of an intimidation tactic, in my opinion. I like that style better, though. I think we need harder. I think we need people to be harder. I think it's acceptable and okay to say that our soldiers need to have a harder mindset, a stronger mindset, a better mentality and mental health support going into the service, and a harder body. Because I know when you go to the US, I've also encountered plenty of soldiers that are 600 pounds. What are you going to do?